Today is Thursday and I am filming this morning because I decided that I wanted to film maybe a morning routine or like a self-care day. I'm still not really sure what I want to name this video, what it's going to entail, but I want to sort of do something along those lines, so I decided to take you along with me today for my morning routine quarantine edition, because I typically am usually rushing in the mornings on a typical day because I'm gonna go to school or go to work or whatever, but this is a much slower morning, so this has sort of been my routine these past few days, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. I also wanted to know, how is everyone doing? How is everyone feeling? Let me know during this time. I know it's a really challenging and difficult time for everybody right now, and it's definitely been quite an adjustment, and it has been quite a lifestyle change for many of us, but you know, we have to do what we have to do in order for the world to be healthy again. So hopefully everyone is doing their part and is staying at home. But yeah, and let me know how you guys are doing, how you guys are coping, what are you guys doing at home to help you guys feel better throughout the day. As you saw, I've already had some breakfast. I woke up, I did my bed, I played some music in the back just to help me wake up. I've been opening my windows up these past few days just so I can get some fresh air in and get myself motivated. And then I will usually go downstairs, eat some breakfast. This morning decided to watch some TV while I ate some breakfast, so I was doing that. I'm actually watching this show on Netflix. It's called Always a Witch. It's actually a Spanish show, so I think it's called Siempre Bruja in Spanish. So it's pretty good. I'm watching the second season. It just came out. I watched the first season probably, feels like it was a year ago. I don't know if it was a year ago, but pretty good. So I would definitely suggest watching it. I think I'm gonna go do a workout. I think I'm gonna put a hair mask in. My hair is pretty gross now. It's feeling a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna do a hair mask and then leave that in there while I work out. I think I'm gonna show you guys what kind of hair mask I'm gonna be doing today. I typically do different kinds of at-home hair masks. Last time, a few days ago, I did one with mayo, egg, and olive oil. Today I think I'm gonna do mayo, olive oil, castor oil, and I think that's it. I wish I had honey. I love putting honey in my hair. It makes my hair so shiny, but I don't have any honey, so I think it's just gonna be castor oil, olive oil, and mayo. Mayo is really good for moisturizing your hair, and it's also adds a lot of shine because of like the omega fatty acids in it. Okay guys, so just want to clarify that this video was taken a very long time ago, probably at the very beginning of quarantine because I was still in school. This was probably like in March, and I forgot that I edited this video and I never posted it, so I'm going to post it now. So it might be a little bit confusing to you as to why I might be talking about school, and like just the whole thing might be a little bit confusing. So I just wanted to let you know that this video was filmed in March, but I'm just posting it now. And as you can see, I'm having a very lazy day, so excuse my appearance. I'm wearing my dad's sweater, I'm laying in bed, haven't touched my hair, haven't even showered, and my nails are not looking as cute as they did in this video that I'm watching right now. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, that's all. I parted my hair because I'm going to be putting it into sections, and I actually added some of my conditioner into the mix too. So we have some mayo, some olive oil, some castor oil, and my conditioner. Right now I'm using the Schwarzkopf Repair Conditioner. Yeah, I decided to, like, you know, I might as well put some conditioner in here as well. Can't do no harm. This is gonna get messy, and it's probably not gonna smell the best, but that is okay because it's gonna be worth it. See, when I'm done here is gonna be looking fire. It's gonna look great. Actually, I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys how my hair's gonna look after, because I think I'm gonna let it air dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna have my sister braid my hair because I kind of want my hair to be crimped. Most of my teachers have like canceled my classes. No, sorry, no, they haven't canceled my classes, have just like been putting slides on like our like portal, and like aren't doing like webinars or anything like that. Only my class for tomorrow, my teacher's doing that. So I guess the teachers were like, well, you know what, since we're working from home, I guess we don't actually need to do a presentation, so I'm just gonna teach by putting slides up. So yeah, that's the life right now of a student. It's been really hard to stay engaged and get yourself to do the work. It's not the same as like doing online classes than it is actually going to class. I'm finding it really difficult. Let me know if any of you guys are students and are also in the same situation and are taking classes online now. Like, are you guys finding it hard? I am finding it quite difficult to stay focused. I'm not gonna lie, the last thing I kind of want to do is like homework right now. It's just really hard to get yourself in that mindset when you're not like actually going to class, because it's harder to hold yourself accountable, you know what I mean? But you know, I'm trying, so we're almost done, we're almost there anyways. Semester was almost over, so there's not much left to do. It's just become a little bit more harder to stay focused, but what can we do? Hey guys, so welcome to my backyard. We're gonna do a quick little workout. I think I'm gonna try to work out for at least half an hour to 40 minutes, 45 minutes, we'll see. I have some kettlebells there. We're gonna be doing some squats, some lunges, some deadlifts, all that fun stuff, maybe a few abs as well. But yeah, I decided that it's pretty nice out. It's not that cold. It's like good enough to work outside. So we're gonna take advantage of that and we're gonna do a quick little workout. So yeah, let's go. Current setup, how fancy. Wow, who needs a gym when you have a backyard, a mat, and 2 kettlebells, right? Am I right? Am I right? I have a 30-pound, I think, and a 25-pound, and then in that little black bag, I have a few, what are those called? Like, resistant bands. So, yeah, let's get to it. Workout is complete. I'm back in my room, guys. Wow, I'm really tired. I am so tired. I'm just gonna put you guys on here. I feel good. Na 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 na. I knew that I could. Na 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 na. I feel good. Na 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 na. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I was actually really lazy. Oh, I'm not gonna put that on my bed actually. I was super lazy to do that workout. It took every ounce of me to get my butt outside and work out, but I did it. Now I feel good, I feel accomplished, I feel like I did something good to set the tone of the day. Wash my hair, get this mask out because my hair is really smelling bad, like mayo. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that, but yeah guys, I would definitely recommend trying to like stay active during this time. It's just to like get the blood flow going. I mean, we're not really going out, we're not really keeping that as busy as we usually are like in our daily lives, so really try to get out there, move your body, get your blood flowing. You'll feel good after. I'm fresh at the shower. I decided that I was just gonna film my skincare routine here because the lighting in my washroom is really horrible. So I just wanted to let you guys know what I use in the shower for my face. So right now I'm using the Olay Hydroxin Truth Juice Daily Cleanser, and then I'll go in with this spin brush. It's like a no-name spin brush. It's just from like my local drugstore, but it works really well and it's like has the same functions as the Clarisonic, and I really enjoy it, and it was like a fraction of the cost. So yeah, it's a really good one. I think I'm gonna do a face mask and get dressed while the face mask sits. So today I think I want to do this one. So it's the Nicaraguan Coffee Intense Awakening Mask. I did a video on this like a really long time ago. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna put that on here. So you can see it's really appealing. Looks like, we all know what it looks like. I washed off the mask off my face, feeling fresh, feeling clean, feeling ready to go and stay at home. So yeah, that's what life is like right now. Just people watching from outside my window, people jogging, walking their dogs, walking with their families. The new way of life. But anyhow, so I'm just gonna put some Vaseline on my lips. I always like to put some moisturizer on my lips after my shower, before I do all of my skincare. I really hope the background noise is not too annoying. It's just really hot and I don't really want to close my window right now. I just want to get as much fresh air as possible. So yeah, I hope it's not too loud. So then I go in with my toner like that all over my face and enjoy the moment. Serum by Ole Henriksen, the Collagen Boosted True C Complex serum. It has some vitamin C in there and I love my vitamin C. I like my skin to glow, glisten in the sun, you know. So we're just gonna pat that on. I usually just pat on my serums, kind of slap my face gently. Go in with my Sephora hyaluronic acid eye cream. I got this eye cream because the one I was using before, I don't even, which one was I using before? I don't remember, but I think I really liked it, and it's really a shame that I can't remember. But I got this one because I wanted something that was a bit more affordable and just like really moisturizing, and then it was gonna help with like dark circles and all that stuff. And it's proven to be pretty good. I definitely feel like it helps to moisturize the under eye area for sure. It's a really nice thick cream, and I definitely like I like that feeling where your skin just feels drenched in moisture. Some people aren't about that, but I really like that feeling. So if you are looking for a more affordable eye cream, I would definitely suggest this one. In terms of like the dark circles, I don't really know if that made much of a difference, but I do like that it makes my under eye area a lot more moisturized. I took it out of the shower. I took it out of the towel. It smells nice. It's not smelling like mayo anymore or olive oil or any of that stuff. So I always like to go in with a hair oil after my shower. I've been using the Way hair oil. As you can see, I'm almost out. And before I comb my hair, I like to put in the oil to make it easier for me to comb it out. And I honestly am very generous with how much oil I put. Oh, it's kind of, you can't really see, but I did probably like 6 or 7 pumps. And then I just warm it up in my hands. My hair feels really soft after that hair mask. Like these vials, oh, I can't remember, but anyways, so it's by this brand here called okay, like I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. I feel really stupid right now, but yeah, it's really good. I found this at Marshall's like a really long time ago when they were still opened, of course, and I like to put this on my hair. Like I just literally go crazy with it and just spray it all over. It works really well, like makes your hair so soft and shiny. They're like these hair serum treatments, and I just put it in there all over. It's so cloudy today. I thought it was gonna be sunnier. Like when I woke up, it was sunny and bright, and it just became cloudy all of a sudden. I think it's gonna rain, but anyways, guys, but anyhow, I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna go do some work. I'm either gonna do some homework or I'm gonna do some video editing. Wanna do two for a little bit for the rest of the morning. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to do that.
my brothers, one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. That ended with life when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on stages. But right now
I'm going to close off the video here. My sister braided my hair, as you can see, because I want it to be nice and wavy for tomorrow. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing some work, getting some work done, and yeah, do that with the rest of my day. So I hope you guys are staying safe, staying indoors, most importantly, and just doing what you can to stay positive during this time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I guess that's it. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I mean, I'd really appreciate it if you did. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, but a girl would appreciate it if you hit that subscription button. So yeah, please do so. Anyways, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.